The center of gravity can be thought of as the location where an object can be balanced. A good example for illustrating this is a traffic cone. Notice how the center of gravity, the green dot, is located over the base, which we will mark using a blue line below the cone. We will add a pointer that points directly down and shows where the center of gravity is in relation to the base. Now watch as the cone is tilted. First, we will tilt the cone as far as we can with the center of gravity still over the base of the cone. When we release the cone, it will return to its original position. However, if you tilt the cone far enough that the center of gravity is out past the base, the cone will tip over. Now, let's change the size of the base of the cone by flipping it upside down. Notice that the center of gravity is now much higher and the base is much smaller. The cone will now tip over much more easily because a much smaller movement will place the center of gravity outside the area of the base. We can also change the center of gravity by changing the weight of the object or load. Let's look back at the original traffic cone and measure how far it can be tipped before it tips over. In this case, it's around 50 degrees. Sometimes, weights are added to traffic cones to make them more stable. Let's add one to our cone and see what happens. Notice that the new center of gravity, the yellow circle, is much lower than the green one. Now, as the cone is tipped, we see that it doesn't reach the tipping point until about 70 degrees.